Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to enter a destination in Waze. So entering a destination and this app is simple and allows the app to provide you with turn-by-turn navigation. So actually guys, at first you'll need to open the Waze on your smartphone and then just make sure location services are enabled to Waze or so Waze then can determine your current location. And then just tap the search icon or where to search bar, and then you will need to enter the name or address of your destination in this search bar. Right, so for example we'll go with Florida and then just go ahead and tap it. Right, so any of these, so Florida coffee, this one, and now you will need to review destination details and make sure the address is correct. Right, and then tap on view routes or go. Right, now you will need to go with go now, right, and then just follow directions shown on the screen and listen to Waze's voice instructions. Okay, so you can also select a destination from your saved locations such as home or work. Open the search menu and choose the saved place you want to navigate to. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.